Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to unzip a file in InfinityFree. This is InfinityFree.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on sign in. Below your accounts, click on the free web hosting account you have a zip file in. Then click on this file manager button. Locate your zip file in this file manager app. Mine is inside this folder. It's called photo.zip. Now with the right button of your mouse, click on the zip file and select extract. Wait a second and refresh this app using this refresh button. I didn't see my unzipped file in my file manager app. I think there is a bug right now. Maybe they resolve this issue in the future, so I made this video to show you how to do it, and I hope it succeed. If it didn't succeed with you, leave it in the comments below so I know. And this is how to unzip a file in InfinityFree. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.